Yeah.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining today's meeting. As the editor-in-chief, I will lead the progress report presentation of our English magazine project. So let's begin with the progress updates from each division. Okay, first, my name is Naila Faza and my responsibility is chief in editor. My progress is monitor team performance, create a timeline and make sure everything goes according to plan and providing solution and decision. But my problem is ensuring management time team members and ensure it is on the target date. That's my progress. We next to managing editor.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Sekar Larasati Hermawan and I will present my progress as managing editor. For the progress so far, I have monitored operational activities, remind each division of their task, and coordinate between division to maintain teamwork and workflow efficiency. Uh, However, the main problem I have is difficult to ensure all tasks are complete according to the target. That's all for my progress report. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, managing editor. We next to writer division.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Albi, and I'm part of the writer division. My responsibility from this magazine is completed the articles, made to creative games, created one major product one from a publishing student, short story collection, and currently working on two more articles. My problem is limited time and heavy workload from other courses. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Andin Aprilia. As a writer, my progress is completed two articles and currently working on one more article. And the problem is time management and need to adjust schedule to stay consistent in writing. That's it. Thank you.
Alright, I'm Putri Balkis as writer for my project and complete three articles and I'm currently working on two more. As for the problem, I'm still struggling a bit with the time management and I need to adjust my schedule to stay consistent in writing. Okay, thank you. Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Maria Clara Dita, and my progress report is I have completed three articles and currently working on the next article, which will discuss the film review and POP. And my problem is a little bit hampered by time because there are many articles related to study programs that require more time to do it. That is my progress report. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, writer division. We next to editor division.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Sabira Aditana Setian and I'm editor. My progress is complete the editing of the article. The other article are in the final stage and ready to be sent to the RPM. Currently waiting for more article from the writing division to be editing next. My problem is the editing process was slightly delayed because not all article from all writer have been submitted yet. Thank you for.
Hey, hello everyone. My name is Sekar Larasati Hermawan and I will present my progress from the editor division. For the progress so far, I have complete editing three articles I already sent two articles to the layout division, and I'm currently rechecking one article before sending it to layout division. And I will also start editing one new article that I recently received from from the rating division. And from the problems, my problems is editing process delayed because the rating division has not submit their article yet. Thank you. That's all my progress.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dilara Satirembulan Lelia. My progress is I have editing two articles. Currently waiting for the author to finish the article. And my problem is time management. Sometimes there is a lack of communication, and the editing process is a bit slow because the author has not given us many articles due to time constraint. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. This editor division. Now we next to designer division.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jenny Sainasya Putera Nova. My position is designer in the magazine. I have created several templates for article content and already created templates for table of contents and masthead of our magazine. But I have a problem such as lack of energy to work together, lack of communication between fellow designer partners. So sometimes I have to work alone and I have lack of time, motivation and inspiration for design. Sometimes I have to. Think that's my progress. Thank you for listening.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Bayaki Prawira Putra, and my progress is I've read the logo design and I've also been checking and reviewing my partner work. Keep everything consistent. My problem is my main issue is time management. It's been quite busy with campus and home activities, so it's been hard to focus and design. But I'm trying to recognize my schedule to make more time for it.
Okay, thank you. Next, light division will present their progress.
Hello, my name is Karulaishi, and my progress as a layouter is I have at 60 pages and checking layout design from designer. And my problems is time management. I have some device problems last week, and I may need reminders. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Wawa, serving as the layouter in our magazine project. I am responsible for layout in the magazine. So far, I still arranging photo and looking for a suitable font. My next week, I am going to continue the layout in the magazine. My problem is that it's hard to manage time. That is my progress report. Thank you for your attention.
Alright, and finally we will hear the progress from photography division.
Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. I am Rizky Agusti, working as the photographer in this team. Uh, my progress is I have taken a photo of each division again and removing the background of the group photo is showed. Only some of the members because I shared the task with my partner. And my problem, if not, is I have information to take the next photo of the source. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Hasha. My progress is I have taken a photo of the source for the interview article, edit the photo group result so that the photo quality looks better and removing the background. My problem while I'm working is a bit difficult to remove the background, and I have to be careful to get good and neat results. Thank you.
Okay, thank you everyone for the progress update from each division. Now, let's move on to the overview section. Each division may explain their own overview.
Okay, so the overview in writing team is writing is the writer division is a team responsible for creating engaging and high quality writing content for this project. Our team consists of several writers who collaborate to produce articles, creative games, product advertisement, and collections of short stories. Despite challenges such as a limited time and heavy academic workloads, we remain committed to delivering the best result that meet the project's needs. We also continue to improve our writing quality and manage our time more effectively to achieve the project's goals. Thank you.
Okay, next overview editing and translating.
Alright, we next to another overview.
Okay, next, editing and translating. The editing and translating division is responsible for ensuring the quality and accuracy of all written content before publication. Our main tasks include checking grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure, as well as improving the clarity and consistency of each article. We also assist in translation of selected articles from Indonesian into English to maintain the magazine bilingual quality. Despite facing challenges such as a limited submission time from writer and like deadlines, our team continues to work carefully to deliver well-edited and publishing content. We remain committed to maintaining high language standards and supporting other divisions to ensure the overall success of the magazine.
Okay, next.
Okay, overview from design division. The design division is the team responsible for creating and developing the visual design of the magazine, with the primary objective of attracting readers to purchase and engage with the published content. More specifically, designers are in charge of conceptualizing and designing the magazine visual structure to ensure it is both appealing and cohesive. Their tasks include designing the front and the back of covers, layouting the magazine content, and producing the internal illustration. Upon completion, the final design is submitted to the layout department for review and alignment with current market interests. Thank you.
Alright, we next to layouting overview.
Okay. The layouter division is the team responsible for arrange the text, pages, and pays attention to graphic elements such as image, illustration, typography, colors, and space balance between elements in the page.
Okay, next to advertising overview.
Overview of advertisement is the text of our advertisement is a magazine is to create and present advertisement that are appealing, informative, and aligned with the magazine theme to promote product or service. The advertisement team is responsible for developing the visual concept and writing content of the ads, selecting the appropriate layout, and ensuring that the advertisement can attract the reader's attention.
Alright, the last overview we'll heard is photography.
The photography team is responsible for capturing and selecting images that are relevant to the article topics, event, or edition themes, while ensuring that each photo has good composition, lighting, and aesthetic quality.
In addition, they also conduct photo session for team members to include in the magazine.
Okay, thank you very much for our overview. Next, let's move on the solution section. Based on the problem from during our work, we have come up with several solutions. So, for solution about manage time, manage your time using the priority pyramid method, which organizes tasks resolved on time and reduce social media scrolling. Second, consistency when writing. You must set aside a specific time to write, avoid all distraction like notification, and then create a writing article schedule. Third is device constraint. If you have a device problem, you must report the group and borrow another team member's device. Fourth, fourth problem is photo source. The photography maybe should coordination with writer like search by article keyword, search in Polymedia document folder, and that has been referred. First problem is remove background. You can use Canva. Uh, for the free platform can be Adobe Photoshop with Magic Eraser tool and remove background website. And six, delay article. Maybe editor more push it the author. And for writer, the awareness of responsibility is also increased. And the last, seven, energy to work together and lack of inspiration. You should take a little time to gather energy, read magazines, and get inspiration to increase team spirit and inspiration. And the last problem is communication. Maybe we should warning for our members are responsible for their work and cooperation. If it's really difficult, ask the managing editor and chief editor for help. So, to conclude, our English magazine project is running so well. At the moment, the Julia Agustus magazine team has gone through more development than even before. The challenges that have arisen are more or less related to time, communication, consistency, and various other minor issues. It's just that the progress doesn't seem to be in line with the timeline. It is related to time issue. Based on exciting solution, the team will improve performance for better result. So that concludes our progress presentation for today. Thank you to every division for your efforts and hard work. Let's keep up to the good work and stay consistent. Thank you everyone for your attention and participation in today's meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you
Waalaikumsalam
guys.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi. Thank you, Chef Editor.
Bye guys. Thank you.